Well, there we have it.
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. Green Thumb Edition. Yes, and I'm so excited because today is harvest day. Oh, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am about to harvest. I have 3 buckets of sweet potatoes over here. You have been a part of that journey. You see me from the creation of it, to the planting of it, to the growing of it. And today we're going to harvest 1 bucket, and if 1 bucket proves to be bountiful sweet potatoes, then we will go ahead and pull out the rest of the buckets. And then from there, we were going to go ahead and pull up the carrots and see what type of carrots have grown underground, because obviously, you know, carrots on the ground, can't really see what's going on, things like that. So I'm wondering, I don't know how long it's been in, to be honest. I think at least 3 to 4 months they have been in the ground, planted and things like that. And so today is the day we get to pull them up and see what we get. Okay, so let's see, which one are we gonna do first? The sweet potatoes or the carrots? The sweet potatoes or the carrots? Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So even how, let's go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Sweet potatoes are first, ladies and gentlemen, and then we will go ahead and pull the carrots after that. But without further ado, ooh, this lighting is amazing. My goodness, spectacular. Attached a gardening shirt and everything, just pink popping on this video. But anyway, let me not get further distracted, and let me go ahead and let's harvest these sweet potatoes, okay? Let's go. Okay, so I am going to take my bucket. I'm gonna take the one on the outside. Let me go ahead and just grab this one. Oh man, I didn't think about like all the vines that goes along with it. So let me just like peel, cause look at all this. Look at this. This is all vines from the sweet potatoes. Of course, there's 3 buckets, but nonetheless, vines are here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and like pull them out of this bucket. Oh man. Oh, I see a sweet potato. I see one. I'm gonna just take it over. Let's see if I can get the bucket. Let's see if I can get it. Oh. That was an easy pull. And so I'm gonna just put it right here in this raised bed. And let's see what we have, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we have in this first bucket. Got my rocks that was helping with the water situation. Go ahead and take those out because I don't want these to mix with the soil. And we have one right here, sweet potato, little baby sweet potato. Let me get these other weeds out. I don't want that to mix. Break it up. Oh man, don't tell me. Oh, there's one. Here's one. Here's one. Is there another? Nope. That's, oh man, all that for 2 sweet potatoes? My first time growing sweet potatoes, so, you know, really didn't know what to expect. All right, so I'm curious. I have to go and do the other one. I have to, at least one more. Certainly, all that was not just for 2 sweet potatoes. Oh, I'll be so hurt if so. All right, so we have 2. Let's see about the other one. All right, so now we have our second bucket right here. Now the middle bucket is honestly the one with the most vines coming from it. So I believe that's the one that's gonna like yield the biggest harvest that I'm actually like looking forward to and expecting. But nonetheless, we'll go ahead and pull this one out and see what we get. We have the roots all nice and compacted. It's a good sign. It's a lot of roots this time. Get the rocks out. Oh wow, we got a sweet potato ball. Oh, that's funny. A sweet potato ball, and we have a sweet potato that looks like a carrot. So that's interesting. You know, that's what we have, and a bunch of different little roots. Make sure it's nothing else, and there isn't. That's a long root. Well, we have a sweet potato ball. We have 2 sweet potatoes. So we have from 2 buckets. Yeah, let's go ahead and do them all. Let's do them all. I think it's mature. No, I want to wait. I'm gonna wait. I know I said I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna actually wait because I believe they're not finished growing. So let me know in the comment section below, should I go ahead and pick it by the time you see this video, or should I wait a little bit more? But this is what we have so far. Again, this is my first time growing sweet potatoes, so I'm learning and I want to know. So let me know and I'll go from there. I think that's the best bet. Ladies and gentlemen, it is carrot time! Wow. This is a cauliflower plant. That really just never grew the way it should. So I'm gonna just go ahead and peel and take this bad boy out, along with the other marigold seeds and all of that. Well, there we have it. Here are my carrots. Very underwhelming. Wow. That was definitely an experience that I was not expecting to have. You know, when I think harvest, I think excitement and joy. Nonetheless, I was surprised and a little let down. But nonetheless, here's a little recap of what we have collected from the Here garden this first go round. This is my carrot intake. You know, very underwhelming. The greenery on it is fabtabulous. Like this right here made me believe I was about to pull up some, you know, Bugs Bunny type carrot situations. But this right here, I don't even think Bugs Bunny would stop to eat this. But I did hear and know that you can eat the greens of the carrots, which I won't, because the ends of them did not grow that well. And it's funny because some of the ends are like they've been like chewed on and things like that. So help me in the comment section below know what I should have done differently, because obviously I didn't do it correctly because I don't have the harvest that I ultimately wanted. All right, and then here are my sweet potatoes, which filling them with my hands is pretty cool. Like, it's cool to know that, you know, I grew these. And technically, I can take these sprouts like here and put it in some water, wait for the roots to grow from them and plant them again. And that can start another cycle of sweet potatoes. So actually, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave this one on here and, you know, go ahead and start yet another process of sweet potatoes, which this one is great. Like, you know, I'll cut it up in medallion type cuts and eat it. Smells cool, smells good. I know it's fresh, I know it's organic, it just been picked. Like, and then this one, I guess, is already shaped as a fry, so whatever. And then we have the ball scenario, which, you know, hey, it is what it is. It's not what it's not, and it's gonna be what it's gonna be, which is mine. I'll prepare it in a way that is edible. I actually want to cook it this time. Last time Crystal cooked some harvested items out of the garden, but this time I want to cook it, and we'll see. Maybe we'll have a video to show you all what I did, you know, cooking wise with the sweet potatoes and even this one. So I'll take this, soak it in water, I'll get roots from it, and I can just plant this in the ground. That's how sweet potatoes are grown. They're grown from your leaves. I forgot what it's called. It's a word for it. Not seedlings, not sprouts, but it's another word. I can't think of the word, starts with an S. If you know it, put it in the comment section below. Help other people out as they're watching this video. But nonetheless, that's how they grow. And it's just a cycle. They don't grow from seeds. They grow from these, okay? So, here's my harvest, ladies and gentlemen. It is what it is. It's not what it's not. But nonetheless, it's all mine. And I am proud of it. And I look forward to all of the leafy green type items that I'm about to grow. Now I have 5 raised bed locations, or spots, I'll call them. And I have the buckets that I'm gonna grow, the different collard greens, kale, spinach, all those different things, mustard greens, all those things, beans. I keep saying all those things and I name other things. So I'm gonna just say all those things I will grow starting next week. I believe I can start to go ahead and start to plant seeds. So that's what I'm going to do. And of course, I'm gonna take you a part of the journey and the process. So without further ado, I love you all. I'll see you on the next video. And don't forget, have fun in your garden. Get your hands dirty. It's fun. It's, you know, refreshing. It's relaxing. And it's something that anybody can do. So go for it. I love you. And until next time,